Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing MBA first semester subject, that is management and organizational behavior. So firstly, before discussing this subject, what is the basic unit of a society? I have a question. What is the basic unit of a society? Ultimately, the answer is individual. The individual. The basic unit of the society is the individual. But no individual can satisfy all his desires himself. No individual can satisfy all his desires himself. అంటే తనంతట తానుగా తనకు కావాల్సిన అవసరాలను తీర్చుకోలేదు. సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? హీ యునైట్స్ with his fellow beings. He unites with his fellow beings. Let us suppose this is you. You yourself cannot satisfy your needs. So in order to satisfy your needs, you will unite with other people around you. Okay? You unite with your fellow beings and works in an organized group. You works in an organized group to achieve what you cannot achieve individually. To achieve what you cannot achieve individually. We know that human beings are surrounded by organized groups of many kinds, like family, a play group, a work group, a school, or a firm, or a government. Like this, every human being is surrounded by organized groups. These are the organized groups which are surrounded to us. So we know that management is an essential part of any group activity. Management is an essential part of any group activity. Then here comes what is management. We are saying that management is a essential part of any group activity. That means in order to work with a family or a play group or a work group, school or firm, management is very essential. Assume that we are establishing a company or an organization. Either it may be a non-profit organization or a profitable organization. Objectives. It consists of objectives or goals to be achieved. That means a company is an artificial person which consists of or which have objectives designed to be achieved with the help of people. With the help of people. Okay? Right. So how we are going to achieve these goals means the goals of an organization can be achieved with the help of people. So people are more essential of an organization. People are more essential of an organization. So when we are working with the people means a company consists of different people of different mindset. Different people of different mindset. We have to work with different mindsets. That means we have to get the things done with the help of these people only. We have to get the things done with the help of these people only. and that is called as management. Management is the process of getting things done through the people. Getting things done through the people. Simply, Mary Parker Follett said that management is the art of getting things done through others. What he said, management is the art of getting things done through others. Mary Parker Follett said that. Mary Parker Follett said that management is an art of getting things done through people. Getting things done through people. Okay. So this is about the smallest definition of management. Topic is meaning of management. In order to understand the concept of management, we must know the meaning of management. The term management has been used in different senses. The term management has been used in different senses. Sometimes it is used in the sense of managing a group of people in an organization, and in other times it refers to the process of planning, organizing, staffing, coordinating, and controlling. Sometimes the term management is used in the sense of managing the group of people in an organization, and sometimes and in other times it refers to the process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling the people. Management is defined by different authors in different ways. Like Mary Parker Follett defined management as an art of getting things done through others. Getting things done through others. We have another author, Harold Kuhns. He defined management is the art of getting things done through the people. Getting things done through the people and with the help of people. With the help of people in formally organized groups. In formally organized groups. Next topic is nature of management. Nature of management. This is very important for your examination point of view. The nature of management can be described as follows. First one, management is a group activity. Management is a group activity. Why? Because no individual can satisfy his desires himself. As we have already discussed that an individual cannot satisfy his own desires himself. So he unites others towards the achievement of his goals. So management is a group activity, that is nothing but he is making other people to form as a group. Whenever there is an organized group of people working towards a common goal, some type of management becomes essential here. And second one, management is goal oriented. Management is goal oriented. That means management mainly aims to achieve economic and social objectives. It mainly aims to achieve economic and social objectives. It exists to achieve some definite goals or objectives. It mainly aims to achieve definite goals or objectives. Effective management is always management by objectives. Effective management is always management by objectives. That means without objectives, there is no management. Next one, management is a factor of production. Management is a factor of production. Management is not an end in itself, but a means to achieve the group objectives. Just as land, labor, capital are the factors of production and are essential for the production of goods and services, management is the factor of production which is required to coordinate other factors of production for the accomplishment of predetermined goals. So management is a not end, it is not a final product, but it is used in the production. We know that land, labor, capital are the factors of production and are essential for the production of goods and services. But management is also one of the factors. That means we have to manage each and everything properly. Then only the predetermined goals can be achieved. Management is universal concept. Management is applicable in all organizations. In all type of organizations, wherever there is human activity, there is management. ekkada manusulu untaro akkada management untundi. The basic principle of management or of universal application can be applied in organizations, whether they are business, social organizations, religious organizations, cultural organizations, sports, educational, political, and any military, etc. Management is used. Management is needed at all levels of organization. At all levels of organization. Management is needed at all levels of organization. That means management is one of the key factor. It can be used by top level managers, middle level managers, and supervisor level managers. The only difference is of the nature of the task and the scope of the authority. Next one, management is a dynamic function. Management is a dynamic function. That means it is always ongoing and also it has to be performed continuously, right? And the policies which are used in the management are to be flexible. That means we have to change our policies according to the situation. According to the changing business environment, the management function will also change. And finally, management is an art as well as science. Management is an art as well as science. So how it comes to science? Management is a science. How? Management is a science because it has developed certain principles and which have some proofs. Everything which have some proofs are called as science. So management is also science. Because management consists of theoretical knowledge, that means it is art, whereas management consists of some proofs, which is science. Okay. The results of management depend upon the personal skills of manager, and in this sense, management is the art. Personal skills are required in the management, so management is art. Management consists of certain principles. That means management developed some certain principles. So it is a science. Like this, management comes under both science and art. Mainly, management as an art, it consists of theoretical knowledge, personalized application, and it is a continuous practice. Okay, and also the main features of management also consists of, it is a continuous observation, it is a systemized body of knowledge, it consists of principles based on repeated experiments, it is universally validated, and it is a replication, it is having the replication of results. So management is both science as well as art. Simply, management as a science and art. Management is a science. It uses systemized body of knowledge principles based on the repeated experiment. Management as art. It uses existence knowledge of theoretical knowledge, personalized application based on continuous practice and creativity. That's all for today. Thank you.